Hello my friend, I hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. I'm Ahmad MousaviPour, Flamenco guitarist and guitar teacher. If you have any question about this lesson, just tell me. Like me and subscribe. Okay, let's go to the start. For play Picado, you can play and this I with I am finger P-I-M-A-X I am like andando en la calle. Yes. You hold the one string and throw on the two string and hold two string. Just play one string in hold in the two string. One string, hold two string, not sound. One, your finger like that. Tirando, yes. 2, 3, 4, and you play I and finger like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't play one finger again and again. It's not good. Okay. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me. Set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. I am. Here is like that. It's not good. It's very bad. It's very good. Yes. Your hand is like a cat. Yes, cat. Hand, cat feet, and hand. Yes, here can hold guitar. Yes. You play two finger, just two. Hold the third two string and hold the third string. Not play third string, just hold. Two hold. I think hold the third string and sound. Have a sound to string. Third string play, hold the four string like that. Four, hold five string. Picado Apoyando, yes. Picado Apoyando and Picado Tirando, and is open, yes. Not hold the next string. Tirando. Okay, you try another finger, M, A. M and A and I and A. You can play faster. Okay. M and A. Okay, playing another finger is better. I am MA or IA. Tirando. Apoyando.